Hi everybody, welcome to the Bhaskar Sports. Today I am going to show you how to do the dips, the different types. Generally when I am doing the dips you may need some equipment, but here very simple equipment which are available at your home. You can do it perform properly. And before that, we have to do some exercise for that. Mainly the dips means the upper hand, hands exercise, right, top to bottom, and afterwards the specific exercise for your the hands. So the specific exercise, first you rotate your hands forward, backward, 5 times rotation forward, backward, and elbows also. Elbows rotation and return, clapping the elbows, because we have to just tune all these biceps and triceps. You have to tune the muscles so that you can easily perform. These are the specific, only the particular exercise. Is due to the dips, not only the biceps, triceps, it is some cardiac muscles also. Very good exercise for the cardiac muscles, which is surrounding in our heart, and there are little abdomen also. It will be good exercise for the abdominal muscles also. So let us do the some simple exercise, simple to complex. For simple exercise to and a little bit difficult exercise. So now the initial exercise, and once you please go to the wall and take the 1 meter distance, and just you push up from our body like this. Like the spring action, you completely push your body with your arms. This initial exercise. So everybody can do it like this. We are getting the exercise and the power also, and the same way for wall you can go for the position. Both the hand side you can go, the wall or the pole also. Closely and little bit closely I can do it. Yes, this is the wall. Now let us go for the dips. The position, dips position. Yes, it is parallel to our body width. Students who is not able to do it, the people who are not able to do it, the up dips also can go it. So especially for girls and the learners, you can do this one, the legs like this position, cross position, and it is off dips. It is for learners or girls also. This can be the dips for the girls or learners. Initially those who are trying to do it, the dips, that. Next one is the position. Now it's a learners. Completely it is learners. The legs, arms should be our body width. It should not go like this and the behind like this, or it should not be closely while they are learning. The position complete your shoulder width. Put the hands properly and slow, gentle, complete top to bottom. You have to do it. So these are proper dips. It is the learners and the people who can do it learning like this. Slowly 5 times, again give the gap, 5 times give the gap, like the 3 to 4 times repetitions you have to do it. And the next one, those who know well, you are able to do it properly, and and especially the triceps. You can give the very good exercise. So for that little bit the position also should be like this. Closely, keep the hands close, very closely. That position. Very closely keep the position. This is also you can try it. This also repetition 3 to 4 times repetition you can do it. Next one after the floor dips. Get inside little. The first step. Go to the have the bricks. These are the bricks, ordinary bricks, which can available everywhere. So to go little bit deeper, you can go inside little bit deeper and do it with the help of the bricks. Okay. Next one, little increase your height, even both bottom to toe, little bit to go inside. Once you see that position of this, and also see the position. It is a position. This also everything just to stop 5 to 10 times according to your strength. Afterwards is completely. Afterwards again you do the 5 times. Again after 5 times like this. Repetition should be so that the strength will be increased. You should not do at the maximum level. You have to stop just before. Yes, then I can able to do it 10 times. Firstly stop at the 9th time because don't go extend your complete strength. Next step you can increase the brick level little bit height and go according to your strength. Little bit to go to deeper. Just should go inside completely go deeper like this, so that you can increase your maximum. One more brick also you can keep like this, 10 to 15 centimeters. You can keep like this. With all this equipment you can get from your home only. You need not go separate to the gym centers. That to increase after completion of this 5 to 6 times, and in the same way you can do with this like a dumbbells. You can do with the dumbbells. In the same way, again one more set you have to do it like this. One, like that. Okay. Next one with the help of the chair, you can do it just like it's like a fun. Just to have this one and go closely. It is also very simple. With the help of the chair you can do it, or with the benches also you can do it. The next one, by keeping the legs on this, you put a little bit more weight on your shoulders and biceps and triceps. Once you check it once, take the proper distance. Let me here. It is in the static position now, and this you can do it. Just 1 second. Yeah. You can do it. This one minimum 4 to 5 times. Thank you. These are the tips for simple to complex, step by step. You can do it without much equipment. And thank you all my subscribers, and please watch it. Thank you very much.